Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're going to be talking about how Twitch host might be your most powerful networking tool. Okay, quickly for those who are new to Twitch and don't know what a host is, it's basically the ability to have someone else's stream appear on your page while you're offline. From there, if the viewer is interested, they can click on a link and actually access the channel that you're hosting. Now, how to host? Usually it's done in your chat. You can just type a command, a very simple command. So it's /host space and then the name of the person that you want to host. But if you are using the Better Twitch TV extension, there is an option to add a host button underneath every channel. So you can just go to the person's channel, click on the button, and they will automatically send the host command to your channel. So you will be hosting them by just the press of a button. Okay, now we can talk about why is it a powerful networking tool. If you know any streamer who made affiliate, who's doing pretty well when it comes to views and numbers and all of that, they will tell you streaming is easy. All you have to do is put in the time and network. I don't know why why did I do the voice like that? So this is not false. Networking is a huge part of growing your Twitch community, your following, and then your channel in general. I just dropped something. Now, of course, there are different ways to network. You can go on communities and different Facebook groups and talk to people and try to make friends. Basically, this is really what networking is. Well, good networking at least. But hosting actually has a huge advantage. Now, I want you to ask yourself, as a Twitch streamer, as a live streamer, what is the thing that you want the most? What is the thing that you wish to accomplish by putting so much work into your stream? The most important thing to a streamer, it's viewers. Having viewers, you want more viewers, you want more people to look at you, you want more people to watch your stream and enjoy your stream. Out of all the networking techniques, there's only one that literally gives you what you want: viewers, and that is hosts and also raids, but let's keep it by calling them hosts. Okay, so out of nowhere, you literally bring them the thing that they seek, which is viewers. So you bring viewers for free by the press of a button or by typing the command. That is the most impactful way of networking. Now, a question I get a lot is, how do I know who to host? And it might sound like a stupid question, but it's actually a very good question, because there's a strategy. Well, you can make a strategy behind. You can host random people if you want, but the best way, everything should be planned and everything should be strategized. So who should you host in order to grow your channel, in order to gain something from it? Now, you have many options, but the most important thing to know is that you need to host someone that will be grateful. You need to host someone in a way that it'll matter. Okay, so let's say you play one game, all right? You stream this one single game, and that's how you're trying to grow, and you're trying to be known in the community of this game so that you gain more viewers, okay? So that you grow a following. In that case, you will try to host people that stream the same game, all right? Now, when it comes to people that stream the same game, does that mean at the end of the stream you should go down and find the person with 0 viewers and then host them? Honestly, it sounds good when you say it out loud, but no, that's not what you're supposed to be doing. If you go down any list of any games and you find the person at 0 viewer and then you host them, most of the time you're going to regret it. Okay, I am a firm believer that when people have 0, and that sounds very bad, but when people have 0 viewers, there is a reason. Maybe it's their first day streaming, and in that case, you're streaming someone, you're hosting someone on their first day. They probably don't have alerts. They probably won't even notice that you hosted them. So you basically wasted a host, right? Or they just don't care about anything and they're very boring, and still you brought your viewers to a stream that is boring, that is not good for you. And we're in the example that you are streaming one game and you're familiar with this community. You pick out a couple of people that you know, that you've seen in Facebook groups, that you've seen posting on Twitter, that have a lower follower count or lower viewer count than you. That way you know that your host will be significant, it will be meaningful, it will be impactful for them. right? If you give Bill Gates $100, he'll probably give it back because he doesn't need it. If you give a homeless person $100, it will mean the world to them. So this is the principle that you need to apply here. Bringing your 3 viewers to someone who has 18 viewers doesn't do anything. They'll say thank you. They'll ask a mod to shout you out, which, by the way, those shout outs don't mean crap, okay? They really don't mean anything because they just shout out anyone who hosts them, who give bits, who sub to them. And you know what? No one in chat is actually going to all of those shout outs and following people. No one is. If you want to shout someone out, tell your viewers why they should go watch that other person. This is a proper shout out. Anyways, like I'm getting sidetracked. Always find people that are kind of have the same amount of viewers than you do. Let's say you have 8 viewers and then you host someone with 6 viewers. That brings them more viewers than they already had on top of what they had. So they will be grateful, and this is what we're kind of looking for. It's people that kind of want to return the favor. This is a marketing technique that is used like in retail, for example. The whole I will do something for you so you would want to return the favor, basically. And this is what we're looking for. And you may be thinking, whoa, why would I do that with someone who has less viewers than I do? Well, them wanting to return the favor, and hopefully in the future they will grow and you will establish some sort of connection because they're so thankful of what you did. So it's a win-win. Let's say they just want to return the favor and they host you next time with their 6 viewers. You've just gained 6 more viewers, and hopefully if your stream is more entertaining than their stream, you will get a bunch of followers and you might even steal their viewers. Okay, that's bad, but basically if your content is the same, because we were talking about the same game thing, most likely they will follow you if those viewers enjoy this type of game. Anyways, now let's say you're a variety streamer. Now that's different. It's not a game. It's not limited to a game. Who do you host? Well, it's kind of the same thing. You need to pick out people in the community that seem to be worth connecting with. Because after you host someone, you don't just host them and then leave. You have to go there and for about 30 minutes be active in their chat and talk to them and let them know about your stream, about what you like about their stream, compliment them and all of that. Like, I don't advocate being fake to people, but this is a business. If you have to be fake, be fake. Just don't turn on them, okay? I network with people that I know are fake all the time. It doesn't bother me at all. I know they're trying to get something from me, and it's fine. I know I have something that they want. That's completely fine, and that's why they're being nice. I'm just not ever going to put myself in a position where I can be deceived by them. So you hear that, fake people? Keep smiling at me, keep being nice. I enjoy it. So I was saying, you need to pick out people in the community that are worth your host. So if you see people that have a lower viewer count than you, but they have a huge potential, if you're hosting them and showing love right now, in about 3 months when their stream blows up, they will still have that connection with you. You will still be part of their circle. So surround yourself with people that might lift you up. Okay? I'm saying make connection with people that have a lower viewer count. You can also make a connection with people that have a slightly higher viewer count, but don't try to impress people that are way past your limit. Someone with 100 viewers, when you host them with 3 people, they don't care. They'll act out all of what they do when they get hosted. Well, thank you so much for the host. They won't even mention the number of viewers because they know it's kind of ridiculous for them. So I guess with all the advice I just gave, you can't really apply it if you're not part of a community. You need to be part of something, a Facebook group, a Twitter hashtag group, or a stream team, or whatever. I usually talk against those, but it doesn't matter. You're probably already in one. You need to find, well, the easiest thing is the Facebook group, okay? And this is where you would go and scroll down the group and see who has potential, who already has a following, who is appreciated, and make the connection with them. It starts with one click of a button. You just host them, they say thank you, and then they say how are you, and then you respond, and then you talk, and they consider you in their circle. Oh, that's a streamer who was generous enough to bring me the thing that I'm looking for. What is it? Viewers. I'm so thankful. I hope that one day I will be able to return the favor. The day that I get a bunch of viewers, I will remember this person hosted me when I didn't have any viewers, and I will host them back, or maybe not. It doesn't matter. Keep networking. Surround yourself with people that will lift you up. I'm just repeating myself at this point. So, okay, so let's wrap it up. I actually made this video because of a comment I received asking who should I host, and I thought, wow, that's a good idea for a video. I need to explain my whole philosophy around hosting people and who should you host and how to not be deceived by the people you host, because the random people that are playing the same game as I am, I'm gonna host someone with 2 viewers, it's gonna make their day, and then you host them and they go, oh, thank you, I guess, and then they continue playing, and you're so pissed because you just wasted a huge networking opportunity. One last thing is that you should always host at the end of your stream. Always. You should not only always host at the end of your stream, you should also try your best to host with a maximum number of viewers. This is why I don't really raid, because of that countdown stuff and all of that. I mostly host because as soon as you click on the button, you host. People don't really have a choice. The viewer count will go up. People have told me about end credits. Oh, that's a really cool way to, I don't like them personally. You can do them if you want. I don't like them. As I stated during my last live stream, I said when people see end credits, they usually get up and leave, even on Marvel movies, believe it or not. So basically, you saying bye and playing an outro, also like the outro things. I know I literally sell overlays that have stream ending screens. I don't use those. I don't even have one for my own stream, because I know that if they see stream ending, that's where they leave. Why would I make them leave and then host someone? I will make the outro myself. I will say thank you guys so much for stopping by, blah blah blah. I will talk to people. I will do the end credits verbally, okay? And then while all of my viewers are still here, that's where I will host. I will hype them up for the host and then host. Transition. There isn't a part where they're bored watching end credits or whatever. All right guys, thank you so much. I will put some social media up there. If you guys are looking for dope overlays, go to gumroad.com/getlevel. I have a bunch of free ones, and the rest is like 99 cents. Also, if you haven't started streaming yet or you are using another program, consider downloading Streamlabs OBS. I will have an affiliate link in the description. If you download it and install it from this link, I'm getting a little bit of money. Charity is also getting a little bit of money, so please consider it. I will also put a Discord link on screen and also in the description. So I kind of want you guys to now join my Discord. I'm kind of opening the doors. I have a channel that I need to delete first, but I'm kind of making this kind of group of creative people that are really working hard to make it as content creators. So yeah, join the Discord. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my video. Get Level out.